Join me in the studio and learn how to paint this atmospheric coastal scene in watercolour. Mudflats, marshes and coastal estuaries, not only are these areas packed full of life and vibrancy, but they can also provide the artist with innumerable painting opportunities. At first glance, however, these areas can seem to be featureless and devoid of interest, but with a little practice and a little know-how, you can learn how to make the most of the little features available to produce some stunning atmospheric paintings. This workshop is packed full of tips on just how you can do this and more in your own paintings. The workshop is just under an hour long and takes you from a blank sheet of paper to a completed painting. Get lifetime access today to this fantastic video on demand watercolour painting workshop for just £25.